Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected. First method is, reconnect the device. Second method is, check USB cable or USB port. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click Problematic Device, click Uninstall. After uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type msdt.exe space, -id space, device diagnostic. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.